morning, YouTube. I wanted to explain to you what's going on right now. Okay, first of all, I promised that I wasn't going to go away for long periods of time anymore. I promised that I was going to start knocking out videos at least twice a week, but I inadvertently broke the promise. I didn't mean to, but I had no internet. Literally nothing. No place to upload any videos whatsoever. We fixed that though, and it's going to be slow. It's going to be a pain in the butt, but I'm going to have to use my Aunt Dot's Verizon hotspot on her phone service, and we'll get some movies or some videos out to you. And this is going to be the first one that you see. I'm going to put this with the Augustin Farm video because this is what I'm going to be talking about. I am going to start the Augustin Farm videos today. Start off with a breakfast. I'm going to make the milk. I'm going to make some breakfast and see how well all that works out for us. I have until about noon before it starts raining again. That's the other thing. It's been raining non-stop out here. Lots of areas around us is flooded, but we're on high ground, so we're okay. I had some leakage. It's where the seams are on where this is a cargo trailer. It was never intended for what I'm using it for. And so when they put the trailer together, they put a piece of aluminum sheeting going from this bar here over and then also over again, and then this overlap right here had a really crappy seal. The screws they put in did not have gaskets on them. They just self-tapping screws, done, right? So what I'm going to do is, I've already done it once. I didn't have the money to do it proper, and that was, we rubberized the roof, but it was only one layer, one coating. It's not just one layer, but one can up there, and we wanted to do another can. Should have done another can, just didn't have the money. It wasn't in the funds. Now I have another can, so I'm going to redo this area from the solar back, all around the vent cover and stuff like that, but I'm going to do the solar back. And then I'm also going to do the vertical sections of the walls. Get that done and over with. And then we're going to eventually repaint the trailer white. And we come up with this idea. And this goes to all of you out there. If any one of our fans comes up to us and says hi to us, they get to sign my trailer. We'll carry Sharpies with us, and unless you would like to use a different color Sharpie, that would be fine. But you will be able to sign the trailer as if it was a yearbook in high school. And I think that would be very, very cool. I don't know how we'll protect it from fading and stuff like that, but you know, it'll last for a while anyway, right? But yeah, I thought that'd be fun. My Aunt Dot and I were throwing the idea around, and I think it'd be fun. And because there's some people that I would like to get autographs from, all of you, and then my fans or my favorites on YouTube. Like for example, but not all of them. We'll give you like Camper Van Kevin, one of my favorites. I love listening to him talk to the Wolfpack and making the Wolfpack talk back to him. And he's got great content anyway. Aja from Pandemonium does excellent work, good quality work, entertaining. Eric from Nomadic Fanatic, Mike from Living Free. There's a whole bunch of them. I want to get their autographs on my trailer as well. That would be really, really cool. And I want stickers too, obviously, but we are going to come up with some stickers. We don't know when. We don't know what they're going to look like yet, but we've got two different types of stickers we're going to come up with. One is a group sticker, which if you have this sticker, then you're part of our group. And then also we're going to have channel fan stickers, and that just says that you're a subscriber to our channel, and that you promote the channel. So anyway, we're going to do the August and Farm Foods. I'm going to start with milk in one of the breakfasts, and then I'm also probably going to fit in a lunch and a dinner. And I don't know which ones I'm going to do yet, but it's going to be something. I do believe that the rest of the group is going to be eating dinner with me, maybe even lunch. I do not know. Not all of them, because I know Denny's going to be working. And my Aunt Dot's at the dentist, so she might not want to eat anything when she gets back. So it might just be me, Mom, and Jim until dinner. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to set up the big cameras out there, see if we can't get some quality video, and get started on this stuff. So, thank you for watching. Tell everybody that we are going to be in full motion, and get your friends to take a look. And from now on, we are going to knock out at least one, possibly two videos every week. I am going to attempt a video every... Okay, I'm not going to make that promise yet. Okay, let's see how well all this works. But I'm going to hopefully do a specific day that I get and a specific time that I get a video out to y'all, so that way you know exactly when to be looking for it. And of course, if you hit the notification bell, you would know anyway, because as soon as I put a video out, then you would get notified. So anyway, here we go. Tell your friends about us. Subscribe to us if you haven't already subscribed to us. Click the notification bell so that way you can be notified when we put out a new video. And there is somebody else in this group that you will need to meet. Once you meet her, you're gonna love her. But right now she's a secret. Only because I have no video of her right now. I don't have any video of her right now. So she's a secret until I do get some video of her. But, yeah, wait till you meet her. She's pretty awesome. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Bye.